Okay, everything is fine now, guys.
Yes, fine.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi, fine.
Okay. So what is that string? Right, two method is there, right? Just think about. Okay, so let's see the URL. What is that URL? URL and what path, right? URL and path is what case sensitive, guys. Okay. URL is a case sensitive. Case sensitive, right? Case sensitive. Example. What is that example now? Like what I'm taking slash sho, right? Slash so I taken, right? After then what is that? Another one I'm taking. What is that? Slash so, right? This one I'm taking. Both are different only, right? Both are different. Both are not same because what is that? URL is what? Case sensitive, right? URL is what now, guys? Case sensitive, right? URL is what? Case sensitive. Now, good. Okay. So,
Yes, sensitive. Yes, Ravi. Yes.
yes. Okay. So, fine now, guys. Another one is what? Another one is what? Like, what is that? How we can write it? Like, what is that? At the rate request. At the rate request mapping. At the rate request mapping, right? At the rate request mapping, inside that what we can take this attribute also, value equal to what, like this also we can write it. Okay, slash so. Okay, this one also, this one, and as well as what, this one. If we are taking in the same controller, right? If we are taking the same controller, then it's good only, right? It's valid. So because both are the, both URL is a different only. This is the capital letter,
Yes,
but
different.
this is the small letter now. Okay.
Small letter.
Okay. So okay, good guys. So path be duplicate with what a different HTTP method. Okay. In the, just think about that, what I'm taking in the class only, right? In the only one controller, what I'm going to take now, yum1 method I'm taking, right? Yum1 method I'm taking, like what is that, URI I'm taking now, guys. So see this. Okay, so what is that? Slash so I'm taking, right? Slash so slash what, sho I'm taking, right? This method, what is that? Request mapping I'm taking, what, so plus what is that? Get, which type? Get type. If I'm taking, what is that? Get type, right? This is the valid. Okay, valid or not, guys? Come on. If one method is there, and what is that? URI I'm taking, what, so, and what is that? Get type methodology I'm taking. This is the valid or invalid?
Yes, valid.
It's valid.
Valid.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, valid.
So after then what I'm taking, what, M2 I'm taking another method in the same controller, in that controller I'm taking what, again so plus what is that I'm taking here, what is that? Methodology post I'm taking. This is the valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Because
Invalid.
URL, see, URL is
Invalid, Ravi.
URL is same, but methodology just I'm changing, get and post I'm changing now. Come on.
It's invalid, Ravi.
Yes.
Invalid.
Invalid,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Invalid.
Invalid, Ravi.
It's valid or invalid?
Valid.
Invalid. Absolutely.
It's
Yeah.
valid.
Invalid, Ravi.
It is valid.
Because nothing, only get only.
Ravi, it is valid, Ravi.
It is valid, Ravi.
Okay, so whoever saying the valid, right, those people is correct. Who is saying invalid means what is that? That people is wrong. Okay, so okay, I will tell why. Okay, after then what, M3 I'm taking again, M3 I'm taking, right? Okay, M3 I'm taking what, again what I'm taking now, again I'm taking what, slash so okay, in the same controller, slash so plus what I'm again taking get. Then this is the valid or invalid?
It's been invalid. Invalid.
Invalid.
Invalid, Ravi.
Yes.
Invalid.
In the same controller with what, same
Invalid.
URL, if methodology is different now, guys, so it means what is, this is the valid, this is what, valid, right? This is the valid,
50016.
this is the valid. Now we can take a same with the same URI with the different methodology, right? But we can't take what is that with the same methodology, two same URI, right? This is the invalid. This is the invalid. Okay, good. Okay, so next one, let's understand what is that next things. Okay, so okay, like just what is that I'm taking, guys. Okay, so 1 minute, where spaces are there? Okay, like just I'm taking what is that at the rate controller, right? At the rate controller class, what is that class sample I'm taking? Class sample, right? Class sample, inside that what I'm taking request mapping, right? Inside that what I'm taking now slash so, okay, /so, okay, good. So this is the by default, what is that get type, right? Get type. Okay, so here what I'm taking now is string what m1 method, right? String what m1 method. Okay, so now good. After this, suddenly what I'm going to take now at the rate request mapping, again what I'm going to take now here I'm taking what value equal to what, again I'm taking /so, okay. So after then this methodology I'm making what method equal to what request method equal to what post I'm taking, right? Post, okay. So post, okay. After then what I'm going to do now, string, again I'm taking what string m2. This is the post methodology, okay. So this is what till now the code is valid. Now when again what I'm going to do now at the rate request mapping, again I'm taking what a request mapping, and what I'm going to do now value equal to what /so, value equal to what /so, right? /so. After then what I'm going to take now method equal to what request method, right? Request method equal to get. Then what is that our application will fail, because here what two method is there with the same request type, right? One method and what another method, but here it's valid only because this is the post methodology. Same URI, right? Same URI we can take with the two method, but what is that methodology should be different. If the same, then what we will get now, we will get error. What we will get now, we will get what error. Now this is the get type, right? So then we will get what error now, guys. Okay, clear?
Yes, Ravi, clear. Error.
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
Okay, guys, so good. So here, okay.
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Okay, so just think about that in the sample class. Okay, in the sample class only, what we are going to do now in the request type, right? In the request mapping is there, right? Inside that request mapping, we can not take the like URI also, right? Like just think about that at the rate request mapping is there, right? At the rate request mapping is there. Inside that what I'm going to do now, just I'm taking slash, right? Slash only, right? And what I'm going to do now is string m1 I'm taking, right? String m1 I'm taking, okay. String m1 I'm taking. So this is the valid or invalid, guys?
Valid,
Valid,
Ravi.
Valid, Ravi.
Valid.
but no name.
Valid.
Not mentioned.
Yes, we can take.
Home.
Yeah, it's valid now. Yeah.
Yes, we can take now. Yeah, just what I'm going to do now, I'm removing this one, right? I'm removing this one, okay. So what I'm going to do now, let's stop the application and let's run one more time. Okay, come here and just remove the so and just hit it. But still we are getting are not welcome result, guys. Come on. Means
Yes,
what?
Ravi, valid. Yeah, valid.
And here if we are taking the slash also, then also it will valid, because without slash also we can send
Yes,
the
valid.
request, and without slash also, right? So this is the valid
with-
code.
Yes, yes.
Valid code.
Valid, Ravi. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So good. So same like, okay, come again. Let's do another experiment. Okay. Are you ready now?
Yes, Ravi,
Yes,
we
Ravi.
are.
Yes, Ravi.
Ready.
Please continue. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Please continue. Please continue.
Okay, good. So what is that I'm taking? What is that? One request can have multiple. What is that? Multiple what? Multiple path also, right? Like what is that at the rate request, right? I'm taking what request mapping. At the rate. Who's that? Guys, my voice is clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Yes, your voice is clear.
It's clear.
Good, good. So good, guys. So at the rate request mapping is there, right? At the rate request mapping, inside that request mapping, what we can take? We can take multiple path also, guys. Okay, multiple path also, right? What is that value? I'm taking value equal to what? Value equal to what? Array type, right? Array type. Here, what I'm going to do now? Array type. I'm taking, right? Array type, and what
Yes, yes, right.
what I'm going to do now? Slash like home and comma, and what I'm going to do another one is what? Slash what I'm taking now home. Let's take login, right? Another one I'm taking what? Login, right? Another one I'm taking what? Slash what is that? Logout, and what is that? This is the m1 method, right? String, I'm taking one method, m1 method. Okay, m1 method. Now this is the valid and invalid now, guys.
Valid, Ravi.
Valid, Ravi.
Valid.
Yes,
Valid.
we can take it. What is that? Multiple. What is that? Multiple.
Multiple URL.
URI also, right?
URI.
URI also, right? Multiple.
Yes.
Now come here and
Yes, we can.
let's add it, right? Good. Okay, so now let's stop the application and let's run the application. Now in this time, if I run this one, we will get the error, right? So what I'm going to do now? Slash I'm taking
Slash home.
home, I'm taking, right? Now enter.
Slash home. Yes.
We are getting, right? Come on. We are getting the result or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi. Yes.
Okay, now
Getting the result.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
another one. Remove that here, log in, right? Log in, right?
Login.
Yes.
Now still we are able
Yes.
to get or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, now copy this one and come to another tab, and here what is that? Log out.
Log out.
Now enter it. But still we are getting or not, guys? Come on. See the observe the URL.
Yes, getting.
Yes,
Right.
Logging, log
Yes,
out.
Ravi, you are getting.
And what is that? Come here. Here, see this log out, login,
login.
and here come in this tab. What is that? Home.
Home.
Home
Yeah,
logout.
Yes.
Yeah. Whatever.
multiple URL we can be used. Yeah.
Yeah. So now whatever.
Yeah, we can take multiple URI.
So now it's working now. Come on. It's interesting or just boring now, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi,
Interesting,
it's
really
good
interesting.
concept.
Hmm.
Postmortem
go ahead.
successful.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Please continue. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So good. So what I'm going to do now, guys? Okay. So okay, just one more things I'm asking to you people. Okay, just one more things I'm asking to you people. Okay. So only one method is there. Okay, I'm taking the request type. Okay, at the rate what a request mapping, right? I'm taking what? Request mapping now. Okay, good. So in the request mapping, what I'm going to do now, guys? See this. Okay, observe this. I'm taking what? Value equal to what? I'm taking what? Slash home. Okay, slash home I'm taking now. Okay, guys, good. Slash home I'm taking, right? Slash home I'm taking. Okay, After then what? Method equal to I'm taking what is that? Array type. Method equal to what? Array type. I'm taking what? Method equal to array type. After the inside that what I'm taking? Request mapping, right? Request mapping, oh sorry, request method, not a mapping. Request method dot get, right? Get. Okay, good. So another comma, another one is what? Request method dot post. Now okay, I'm taking, now I'm taking what? String m1 one method I'm taking. Now this is the valid or invalid, guys. Come on.
Invalid, Ravi. Invalid.
Invalid. Invalid.
Huh?
Valid.
Invalid.
Invalid, Ravi.
In a single method we can take
Invalid.
both.
Which request? Both requests are there.
Is valid.
Okay, come here and what? Remove this one, right? Remove this one. Okay, now paste it here. Okay. Now paste it. So, okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to run the application. Okay. Now I'm going to run the application. Right click, run the application. Now refresh the application. We are getting the result or not, guys? Come on. This is the valid or invalid. Come on.
Yes, getting valid.
Valid.
It's working.
It's working means what? It's valid now. Okay, this code is valid now. Post type, we can't make the request, guys, because you know here form is not there. If we are using the form, then we can. I will show it. Okay, I will show it. Don't worry. Okay, that one whenever we will run the form at the time I will show that. Okay, means what? This code is working. Means what? This is the valid now, guys. In a one method we can take what is that get and post methodology also. This is not recommended, but sometime interviewer is asking now, guys. Okay, because of that I explain to you people now, guys. Okay.
Okay, Ravi. Thank you, Ravi. Really, thank you.
Okay. Thank
Actually,
you.
I'm not
Really good
this,
concept.
this
Thank you.
postmortem today. There.
Okay, so okay guys, so okay, good. In the project, right? In the project, so what is that? Just I'm explaining to you people one more thing. So okay, this is also interview question, guys. Okay, these are whatever things I'm covering, these are the interview questions, guys. Okay, otherwise we can learn what is the directly concept also, but what is that? First we have need to face the interview, right? Then we can able to deploy in the project, then we can start the work, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes,
definitely.
Ravi. Yes.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
So, okay, good. So, okay, guys. So, what is that? Just think about that. In our application, two controller is there, right? So, what is that? Class. What is that? One is the employee is there. Employee is there, right? One is the employee controller is there. Inside that, what is that? One method is there. What is that? Just think about that string. What is that? Save method is there, right? Save method is there. Okay. Save method is there. This is the method now. Okay. So inside that, on the top of this class, this what class? What is that? At the rate request mapping. Request mapping, right? At the rate what? Request mapping, and what the slash, what is the slash? Save. Okay, save one method is there, same like what is that? Now here what is that? At the rate controller, okay. So another one in the same project, only in the same project, another class is there in the same folder only, right? CLASS class. What is that? Product. R, just take admin. This is the admin, right? Admin, this is what? Another class is there, right? Means what? Another controller is there, right? This is the other controller. controller. This is the another controller is there, right? Inside that what again one method is there. String what is that? Save only, right? Save method only there, right? Save method is there. Save method is there, right? And here what I'm taking now, request, request mapping, right? Request mapping I'm taking. Okay, inside that again what I'm taking now, slash save only, right? So now just tell what is that? This is the valid or invalid controllers now, guys. If we making
Valid, Ravi.
Valid, Ravi,
It's
valid.
valid. Yeah, valid.
Valid.
everyone guys,
Invalid, Ravi.
Valid.
Valid,
Valid.
but which request is executed first?
No, whichever it will call when you
Actually,
save.
become a class name in small URL. That's it.
so whenever we will make the request, it will valid or invalid. Come on.
Valid.
Valid.
Invalid, guys. Okay, invalid. This
Is
is
valid.
what?
Valid.
to give class level answer.
Yes, because two controller is there. Whenever we will make the request, because method level what? Both method level what? Save only. But what class level is there is no difference. So now, okay, let's see that as a practical only. What? See, one controller, employee controller is there, right? One employee controller is there. Inside that employee controller, what I'm going to do now, just remove this one, okay? Just remove these things, okay? So what we will take now here, just I'm taking what? Inside that, so I'm taking, yes, so slash I'm taking what? So okay, good. So after then what is that? Just employee controller inside the same package. I'm going to create one more class. Okay. So I'm taking what is that? Admin, ADMIN, admin controller. Admin controller, right? I'm taking what? Admin controller. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? I'm taking what? Public string. What is that? Get data, right? Get data. Okay, so good. Okay, so what? Return what? The same page only, employee only, right? Employee only. I'm returning employ, employee. Good. So this is the two controller, but what is that methodology? I'm taking the same only, right? Iterate what? Request mapping, right? Request mapping here. What I'm going to take now? So only, right? Slash so, okay, okay, so both request methodology in the both controller what, both controller methodology is same only, right? So now I'm going to run the application and we will see the error, guys. Okay,
At the rate controller, Ravi.
At that control, Ravi.
yes, at the rate what controller,
But now confuse containers.
yes. So now good, so what we will do now, so come here, right click, run our application. Now at the runtime only we are getting, guys, when we will make, see that what is that? Slash admin controller slash get method, right? Mapped handler mapper. Who is the giving that error now, guys? Handler mapper is not able to scan it now. See this, both are the duplicate only. In what there is already admin controller being method is there now. See that error, read the error now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi. Yes, confusing
Container is confused, right? Come on.
Yes.
So
Yes,
okay,
confused.
so what is the, so how we can avoid these things now, guys? So what we will do now, so if we want to avoid these
We
things,
can
okay,
specify.
so come to here, what is that? Come here, in the controller, right? Controller, what we will take now? Multi-level path we can take. EMP, right? Here take the EMP, right? EMP, and what come inside that admin controller, just take here what? Admin, right? Admin. Now run the application, then application will run. Then this is the correct code, okay? Then this is the correct code. Right click, run. Now our application is running now, guys. Okay, so here, but what will happen now? Here we will change it, right? First, what is that? EMP. I want to EMP plus so see, result is there, right? EMP plus so result is there, na? Come on, and come to another tab, right? Come to another tab. Here, make the admin. Here, so is there, right? So is there, but just here take the admin now. Admin now, enter it. Still we are getting the welcome to first application or not? We are able to get the result or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. You are getting.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Yes,
get.
correct.
Yes.
So based on that URI, we are differentiating both controller or not, guys?
Yes, we can.
Come on, guys. Everyone give the reply.
Yes, Ravi. It's true. Yes, correct.
But guys, this is a not good approach. This is the not good approach. So what is the good approach? So for that we will take the class level request mapping, right? Request mapping.
Class
So here what we will take now, inside that we will take the EMP, right? Slash EMP. Okay. Slash EMP. So think about that, here only one method is there. We are writing, if 100 method is there, then we our code redundancy will come or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes, Ravi.
definitely.
So
class
what,
code redundancy is coming.
so what we will do now, we will specify at the controller class level one URI, right? And what is that? Inside that controller class, we will write that single method URI. Okay. So here also what we will do now, instead of writing this one, what we will do now, @request. @request. Inside that what we will do now, inside that we will take the slash admin, right? Slash admin now. Good. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
So
This
now
is the right approach.
Now this is the right approach, guys. Okay, now we can differentiate both controller based on that. Still, okay, based on that, still we can differentiate. Now run the application, same application, run it, guys. Run, and we can able to get the result still now, guys. Come here. Okay, so this is the admin, right? So same only. Now I'm opening another tab. Okay, this is now, hit it and see that we are getting the result or not, guys? Admin result we are getting, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so same like here, what I'm going
Yes.
to do now, employee. Let's take the employee new tab. Okay, so copy this one and paste it in the new tab. Now paste it. We can able to get the result or not here also, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Get it.
So now the things is interesting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Clear.
Clear, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Ravi, can I ask one question here?
Yes, ask.
So actually, at the class level, we can, without request mapping annotation, we can specify any other option is there or not?
Sorry.
In the class level, we have we can specify here with the help of request mapping, right?
Yes.
So without at that request mapping, we can another approach there means another method is there or not?
No. Another method, class level method not there, but method level annotations are there, Satish.
Yeah. I know. Method level is there, but class level only one there. Is it?
Yeah,
Right?
only one, only request mapping is there.
Okay. Or we, I think @component, or we can specify that name or not.
Yeah, we
With the
can
help
take.
of only
No.
component.
No, in the component, just I explained it, right? So see that the combination of what is that? Combination of controller, because the component is a super class of what all, but explicitly still we have need to write. If you are taking instead of what is that controller is there, right? You are talking about that I want to take the component, right?
No.
Huh.
Not here. Here only @component and and parenthesis start. In the parenthesis, we can specify that name.
No, I'm not understanding. Satish,
Got it?
what is? No, I'm not getting. Please.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ रवि कि मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ रवि जैसे @control आपने दिया, right? So after @controller parenthesis start and a double quote, or we can specify a small means employee controller. So E become a small,
This one will
right?
become small. Yeah. The first
Yeah, तो
letter
ऐसे
in
दे
the
सकते हैं क्या अपन?
in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
in the IOC container, E will become, because whenever we are applying a direct component direct controller in the IOC container, internally in the container, first letter will become what is small.
Yes, yes. Okay. Internally, right?
Yeah, internally it will become what is small. Don't worry. Next level our discussion, that one only is there. Okay, Satish, I will explain it. Okay, I will not leave.
Okay.
Not leave. Because whenever we will learn what form, whenever we will send using what form, using form content, at that time I will explain that one. Okay.
Notification.
Okay, guys. So good. So okay. So one more question now, guys. Okay. So come here. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. So what is that here? What I'm taking at the rate component. I'm audible, guys. Come on.
Yes, 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 yes. Audible,
Yes.
audible.
Yes.
Okay. Controller. I'm taking at the rate controller. I'm taking what class? Class what sample? I'm taking what is it? Sample, right? Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys? Here, one method is there. Inside that, what? One method is there. Public. Sorry, string only, right? String M1. I'm taking one method, right? One method. This method request mapping method type. I'm taking what is that? Here, see this. Okay. What I'm going to take now? Iterate what? Request mapping. Request mapping. Now I'm taking the so here what I'm going to take now, here I'm taking test. I'm taking test, right? And again what I'm going to do now, here also I'm taking what? Iterate request. Iterate what? Request mapping. Iterate request mapping. Inside that, what I'm going to take now, slash test. So now this is the valid and invalid now, guys. Come on.
Valid,
Valid,
Ravi.
it's a valid one. Valid.
Everyone.
It's a valid.
Valid.
This is the
Invalid.
yes, guys. This is the valid now. Okay. So this is the valid. We can take the same, right? EMP is there, right? Here also we can take EMP also. No problem. Now let's stop the application and we will see that. And we can run the application and we will see. Now come to browser. Here, see, so is there now? Here, just take the EMP. Now hit it. Still we are getting the results now. Now new tab only. Now here only hit it. EMP. Welcome to first application. We are able to get the result or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, yes.
Okay, guys. So what is that? Let's understand what is that. Based on that methodology, right? What is that? See that what is that request for the whenever we are performing what post type, what we seen that for the post type we have need to write additional, right? Some additional things are not, guys. Come on, in the methodology. See this. What is that? Like what? Method equal to request, method equal to post, right? So now in the what is that? In the version 4.x onward, right? So this methodology, like if we want to send the data, right? What is that get type for that at the rate get mapping is there. Get mapping annotation is there, right? Get mapping annotation is there. If we want to send like so, if we want to send what is that post type, then what is that? Post mapping. Post, what is that mapping annotation is there, right? Post mapping annotation is there, like slash, what is that? So like slash so, okay, like that annotation is there, right? Based on that all methodology, 8 methodology is there, get, put, post, delete, right? For that also like post, put, delete mapping, post mapping, get mapping, information mapping, right? All based on that HTTP methodology, all annotations is there. These annotation introduced in what 4.x means what 4.x onward, right? So come here, come here. What I'm going to do now, instead of this method, this class level annotation is same only, guys. Okay, but what is that? If we can change method level annotation, we can change it. So what is that? If we want to send what, get a type methodology, right? What is that? Get mapping. Get mapping is there, and what is that? What we will take now here, slash. So I'm taking what? So still it will work, guys. Okay, this is the correct only, right? Because this is the new annotation, right? This is the new annotation. Now come here, run the application. Stop. Run the application, run it, and come here. Okay, and copy this one.
You have a small doubt.
Yes.
Like, can I ask or
Yes.
can I
Yes.
ask you?
Yes. Ask.
We have given the same name, like slash show for two different controllers, like employee controller and the admin controller.
Yes.
So in the handler mapper, whenever we send a request, the handler mapper will be stored it as key and value pairs, and class name will be the, path. Key will be the path, and value will be the class name dot method name.
Yes, method name.
So like here, though the method name are show, and but here controllers are changing. Now why there is an ambiguity here? Because controllers are changing. No?
Controllers are changing, right? Controller class information metadata is there, but what is that? Request methodology is the same only, right? Yes. Today, ask your doubt.
Yeah, that is what my doubt. Here controller name is employee controller, and there it is admin controller.
Yes.
So why there will be ambiguity? That is what.
Yes, I will tell.
Because in the handler mapper, it will store the class name also, right? In the handler mapper.
Yes. Where that explanation?
Up. Go up. Yeah, that one. Yes.
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 So this is what is that? But see this. What is the key now? What is the key now? But here, what is that value? Value can be changed. What I said now? Value can be changed now, guys. So what is that? Class name plus what is that? Method name can be changed. But what is that key? If we take duplicate, it will work now.
Okay.
Got the point?
Yeah. Now I understand. Right. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Sorry.
So
I
now,
understand. Okay.
now clear, right?
Yeah. Yes, Ravi. Clear. Sorry.
एकदम होता है
Thank you.
Okay, good.
काली नहीं हो रहा है यार
Oh, I say good doubt. Good doubt.
काली नहीं बनी आज
Hey, who's that talking in the session? Sunil, I will remove you. Okay, Sunil, Virendra, I will remove you. I will not take a second of time also, right? Me also having this family. It's not meaning that I'm a anonymous person, right? Okay, good. So okay, so now your doubt is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear, Ravi. Yeah. Very clear. Thank you so much.
Okay, good. So now till now, whatever explanation I given, guys, okay. Now based on that explanation, you people are satisfied, or still some doubt? Is there anyone?
Yes. Yes, Ravi. Satisfied. Very clear.
Okay, guys. So
Yes, satisfied. Yeah.
yeah, now we completed postmortem of what our controller now, guys. So next level discussion. If you're ready, then I am ready now to explain it. Okay. Choice is yours, guys. Okay. choice is yours. Okay, what
Yes,
about
Ravi, we are ready. Please carry on.
no,
Topic
see,
is interesting.
so there is a no force, guys. Okay, give every